Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. What an amazing WordCamp US we had! If you didn't come but want to see some presentations, follow the link below with the stream of all days. Matt Mullenweg did the State of the Word at last week's WordCamp US, and we know that the community continues to evolve, thrive and adapt to the changing environment. Regarding WordCamps in 2020, the first WordCamp Asia is happening in February in Bangkok, Thailand. WordCamp Europe will happen in Porto, Portugal. We now have Gutenberg included in WordPress core for more than 1 year and is now fully mobile compatible, and many of the core blocks are fully integrated. If you're still not updated to WordPress version 5 or later, please drop us an email at sales@valet.io and we're sure we could help you. If you're still not updated to WordPress version 5 or later, please drop us an email to sales@valet.io. We're sure we could help you. On the plugins note, ACF is updating its pricing plan, finally we must say, to include yearly renewals. Thumbs up for a more sustainable business. And don't forget that WooCommerce released its 3.8 version to the wild. Need help updating? There's a neat form at valet.io/contact that will send us an email directly. See you really soon!